Hi everybody, this is Kayla. Today I want to show you how I make my stitch markers. I think they're really cute and they're fun because you can personalize them any way you'd like. There are lots of stitch markers out there that you can buy. Some are just plain plastic, some are just like paper clips, but I like these, so I will show you how I make them. They're very easy. And both these, so the hearts and the flowers, are made a little bit differently. So for this you will need some beads. So I have some little heart beads, I think are super cute. And I have little flowers. You can use whatever beads you want. You don't need to use these, of course. These are just the ones that I picked. My mom actually picked these ones. So for the flower ones you will need head pins. So these are the ones I use. They are longer, so if I want to add more beads I can. And you can buy some that are shorter, longer. You can buy some that have the flat bottom, but I just like the looks of these ones, so I bought these ones. And for both of these you will need, they're like earrings, so like leverback earrings. So they open. I like to use these ones because they can open really wide. You can use the little claw hooks like you use for necklaces, but I personally really like these because they fit more yarns. Like the chunky, you don't have to fiddle with them. Although you can get the bigger claw hooks, but I just like how these work because I don't have really long nails, so it's easier to just pull these open. So first, let's make the heart one because it's very simple. So the hearts, you can see, have these little rings already on them. So these are like honestly so quick to make and I love it. You can buy lots of beads like this too. So they have a little opening almost. I don't know if you can see that. So you want to take a pair of pliers. I have these little pink ones. Unless you can open it with your thumbs, which, oh, you can. It's pretty easy, but you'll need pliers to probably close it shut. So open the little opening there and just take it off. I'll just move those to the side. Take your earring and you're just going to put it through the hole like that, and you're going to close it. Look at that, I barely even need pliers. And that's as simple as that. You have a little stitch marker. Yeah. So for the hearts, or sorry, the flowers, this is when you're going to need your head pins. So since my mom picked these out for me, I'm going to make a little blue one because that is her favorite color. So Mom, this is for you. So first, what I like to do, you don't have to do this, I just like to, I add a little bead that came on the strand. So this strand comes with little beads in between. I like to add a little bead just to kind of separate it from the bottom a little bit more. So you just do that. Add your flower or whichever bead you're using. And I think I'm going to add another little bead on top just to add something to it. Now you notice that your head pin is still really long, and you don't want it to be that long because it just might get caught on stuff. So you want to cut, I'd say maybe about ½ an inch or so. So you'll need some wire cutters or some really sharp scissors, but I recommend wire cutters just because they're safer. And you just chop like that. Then what I do is I bend it just a little bit, but not all the way. You don't want to bend it all the way because you'll close it and then you won't be able to put your earring on unless you open it back up again. So you just bend it part way, loop that on, and then you finish closing it. It can be a little fiddly, but you'll get the hang of it. I've been playing with beads since I was little, so And I think that's pretty good. Now, if you're worried about it coming out, you can always put a little dab of hot glue or any other kind of glue if you're concerned. But I just leave them like that. And I just figure I can tighten them after. So then here's another little stitch marker. Again, really easy. And another thing you can do for stitch markers is just buy charms that already have the little claw hooks. I've done that too. But again, I like these big ones. So yeah, you now have your own homemade stitch markers. Super cute. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go like my Facebook page, Kayla Crochet Love. And you can also email me with any questions or concerns at kaylacrochetlove@gmail.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.